Alright, let's talk about something that's not your everyday gadget but is still very much in the tech meets productivity zone. The McAuley GoDEX ZX1000 bottle label applicator. This thing is basically the perfect example of a niche tool that solves a very specific problem, and does it well. So, imagine you're in small-scale production. Could be craft beer, homemade sauces, skincare bottles, or even custom beverages. At that scale, you're not churning out thousands of products a day, but you still need consistency, speed, and quality when it comes to labeling. That's where this machine steps in. It's designed for cylindrical bottles, and it's fully automatic. You feed it the bottles, it applies the label with precision, and you move on to the next one without breaking that production flow. Now, here's where the tech side of things gets interesting. This is not just a mechanical applicator. It's paired with a 203 DPI thermal transfer printer. That means you're printing your labels on the spot with crisp detail, sharp text, and durable quality. The thermal transfer process ensures your labels aren't just high resolution but also resistant to smudging, fading, and wear. Perfect for products that might be handled a lot or stored in less than ideal conditions. The GoDEX ZX1000 series is known for being reliable and built for industrial environments, but the way McAuley Labels integrates it into a labeling station means you're getting a plug-and-play labeling solution. You can load your label designs straight from your computer, print them in real time, and have them applied without any extra steps. That's a big time saver if you've been manually peeling and sticking labels yourself, which, let's be honest, is both slow and inconsistent. From a build perspective, it's solid. The machine has an industrial-grade frame, designed to handle constant use without shifting around on your workspace. The labeling arm is precise and adjustable, so whether you're labeling a small essential oil bottle or a larger soda bottle, you can fine-tune it for accuracy. And it's worth noting, the alignment is on point. No crooked labels, no air bubbles, no wasted stickers. Noise levels. Surprisingly quiet for something mechanical. It's not going to drown out your conversation if you're in a small production room. And because it's automated, you can essentially run other tasks while it labels. Multitasking is the name of the game here. One thing I like about this setup is that it's approachable for small businesses. You don't need to be a factory to justify owning it. If you're doing runs of even a few hundred bottles a week, it's already worth the investment in saved labor and improved presentation. And let's be real, a professional label job can make or break a customer's first impression. If your bottle looks like it was labeled by hand in a hurry, it's going to hurt the perceived quality of your product. On the maintenance side, the thermal transfer printer is low hassle. You'll be swapping out ribbon and label rolls depending on your print volume, but it's straightforward. The print heads are designed for longevity, and the mechanism for loading labels is intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Overall, the McAuley Labels GoDEX ZX1000 bottle label applicator is kind of like having a small production assistant that never gets tired and never misaligns a label. It's fast, consistent, and built for people who care about both efficiency and presentation. If you're in that small to medium production world, this is the type of upgrade that will quietly transform your workflow. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this McAuley Labels GoDEX ZX1000 bottle label applicator, 203 DPI thermal transfer printer for cylindrical bottles, auto labeling system for small-scale production, then please visit the link provided in the description.